So for this project I have number 4 medium yarn and 5mm crochet hook. And to start the squares, first I need to make heart for each square. And to start, we are going to make chain 4, slip knot, chain 4, make a slip stitch in the first chain, chain 3, and make 12 double crochet inside here, inside this space. So 12 double crochet. Okay, I finished 12 double crochet. Now slip stitch in the chain 3 and pull this yarn to close the ring, chain 1, and we skip this first stitch, and in the second stitch yarn over twice. We are going to make 8 triple crochet, so like this, yarn over twice in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is triple crochet, and we are gonna make 5 more in the same stitch. So I have 8 triple crochet is this part, and we are going here. So for next stitch we are gonna make double crochet like this, next stitch double crochet and half double crochet in same stitch, next stitch half double crochet and half double crochet again in the same stitch. So we have two half double crochet, next stitch half double crochet and double crochet in the same stitch. So this is half our heart, so we are going to do the same from this side. So for the next stitch, double crochet, half double crochet in the same stitch, 2 half double crochet in one stitch, half double crochet and double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and we are gonna make 8 triple crochet in the next stitch. Okay, now chain 1 and slip stitch in this stitch where is the first chain 1, chain 1, and we cut the yarn, and lately we are gonna hide all the yarn and sew it inside. So this is the part which we start our squares, and now I'm going to take the accent yarn or main yarn, main color. I'll start in this part where we have middle of the heart. We have here double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet. So in the double crochet, and we make single crochet. Next stitch, half double crochet. In the next stitch, double crochet. In the next stitch, double crochet, and in same stitch we are gonna make triple crochet, chain 3, chain 3, triple crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, next stitch is half double crochet and single crochet in the same stitch, next stitch single crochet, next stitch single crochet and half double crochet in the same, next stitch half double crochet, next stitch half double crochet and double crochet, chain 3, double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the same stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, and we are gonna make triple crochet in this spot where we have chain 1 on the other side. So here we are gonna make triple crochet like this, double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the same stitch, chain 3, double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the same stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, so it's here. Now we have half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the same stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the same stitch, now we are gonna make double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, triple crochet in the same stitch, chain 3, triple crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the last stitch, and slip stitch in the first single crochet. So this is the row. For the next row chain 3, and this row is gonna be easy. Double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in each stitch here, another, and in chain 3 space we make 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet in same space, and make 1 double crochet in each stitch. So this is the pattern for this row. Double crochet in each stitch, and in chain 3 space we make 2 double crochet, 3 chains, and 2 double crochet. Okay, I finished the row. I'm gonna make a slip stitch in the first stitch, and we will repeat this row again. So chain 3, make double crochet in each stitch, and in the corner we put 2 double crochet, 3 chains, and 2 double crochet. So it's gonna be the same. This is the finished square, and make as many as you like for your scarf, or you can use this square for some other projects. Now when we finish all the squares for the scarf, we are going to put it together like this. So I will need my 2 squares, put it the way I will crochet together. So the right way, this is the wrong side, and this is the right side. So I'm gonna put it like this together. I have my crochet hook and yarn. I'm gonna use this yarn to put it together. I'm gonna make slip stitch, slip knot, and here where is the chain 3, I'm gonna insert the hook here in this chain. This yarn need to stay here under, and I'm gonna grab also this loop from the other side. Yarn over, pull through this loop, through this loop, and through this loop, and I just little bit pull it, okay, like this. And again I'm gonna do first this side, this loop, the other side, and pull through all 3 loops like this. So again, this loop, this loop, so we are taking the loops inside the stitches like this, okay, 1, 2, and yarn again. So we are gonna continue until the end of the row. And here I am at the end. I'm just gonna make last stitch, and make all your squares together like this, like I show you from the beginning. All the, I just hide, this is the back, I just hide all the yarn, and this is the front. And for the edge, I just make single crochet in each stitch, and here I just make chain one, so it's like that all the time. Where is this one? Chain one, and all around single crochet. And I make 2 single crochet in this chain 2 space. Here I make 3 single crochet. So this is the finished scarf, and thank you for watching and happy crocheting.